Well, hello everybody, Tim W. Rago here, games, movies, vlogs, how the hell is everybody? Now for today's video here, it's not really a crossover, but I got my buddy Adia's Life just here, just here, and this is going to be another food experiment video. This is something I haven't done in a really long time, but that's because I haven't really found nothing to experiment with. But this is different, as you can see. I'm at my boy Alan's place this time around because we're all hanging out up here this time. So for my next food experiment, it's going to be burritos. Now, the ingredients that I have with me, like with some of the other stuff I've done, if you are not a fan of this stuff, then that's your opinion. But to me, I like it. I think it's good. So, with any good burrito... Oh, then there's Alan just walking in the room. Alan just walks in the room.
I'm like...
Anyways, any good burrito needs refried beans. Rosarita's refried beans from Walmart. Always good. So that's the starter. And then, of course, also needs salsa. Because burrito.
I like how he says, why you need salsa? Because burrito.
So for the ingredients that I'll be putting on it, I have jalapenos, with another common burrito ingredient. And you got some, well, not the pickles are not, the pickles are not going on the burrito, they're just a little snack to go along with the burrito. But the other ingredient that I have is asparagus in a jar. So I've never put asparagus with refried beans before, but I bet it's going to be good. So let's get this sucker made, shall we? Okay, cameras rolling. So, Adia's Life is the one holding the camera right in front of me. So now I'm going to show y'all how I'll be doing this from a new food experiment. You see, I got a nice, good flour tortilla. Always the best brand. Never go for corn. Corn just tastes a little odd. But that's just me. That's just me personally. I know a lot of y'all out there will always go for a corn tortilla. So take some refried beans.
Is that a different brand? Oh, other than the Rosa... Oh.
It's Rosarita, yeah.
Well, it had a green logo. I thought the one that I usually eat has the red logo.
No, I think that's the hotter one.
Oh.
So you take it and...
My bad.
You take it and you just spread that around here. And then, after that, you take some of the asparagus.
So you only put a little bit of refried beans?
Oh, that's a lot, actually. So you take some of the asparagus out of here. Put that there.
Asparagus.
Now, I've never done this before, so in all perfect honesty, I'm wondering to see how this is going to come out. And then after that, let me just put the top back on there. I don't want jump getting everywhere. Take some jalapenos. Now, just for the sake of this, just cause. Good stuff. Make some jalapenos. Put some jalapenos on there.
Oh, you can smell the jalapeno.
But you can smell them from there?
Mm-hmm.
That ought to be interesting. Actually, you know what? Just cause. That is seriously good stuff. Alright, now for the last bit, put the salsa on. Now you can either drown it or not. I'm just gonna sprinkle it.
Look at Chef T over here.
Dang, that's something Alan would have said, but okay. All right, then after that, just roll this up.
It's a lot of salsa, man.
Yeah, I know it's a lot of it's coming out, but yeah, a lot of the salsa stayed. All right, now you're about to see me try this. Well, as soon as I eat the tortilla part. Hold on a sec. Okay. Okay, now that I ate the tortilla, the big tortilla half, now let's see it with asparagus and refried beans and junk. Sorry. Good stuff. This was not a bad idea. Wow.
Tell the viewers, if you can rate it from 1 to 10, what would you rate that?
Now, this is definitely a 10.
A 10?
This is definitely a 10. Refried beans, asparagus, jalapeno, and salsa. This is good stuff. This was a good idea.
Anything else you want to say to your subscribers?
In all honesty, like, I know this is weird, I'll admit that, but hey, I'm a weird guy, so, I mean, you know what? No, I'm not sorry. I enjoy being this way. This is just me, so if you guys want to try this, definitely try it. Just get this kind of asparagus. This is from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree for the jalapenos, and then for the salsa and the refried beans, get it from Walmart. They're really cheap. So yeah, definitely, in the words of Discovery Channel stuff, just rephrasing it, do try this at home. So yeah, I definitely, like I said, I definitely rate this a 10. This is actually better than, I bring this one right up in equal in goodness to my first food experiment when I did the broccoli. When I did the broccoli and the mac and cheese.
I remember that one. That's not too weird. I'm pretty sure people would actually eat that.
Most likely, but this here, weird stuff. Weird stuff, but good stuff. So, yeah, that was a really good burrito. Sorry if I got like salsa on my face. I did not mean to do that. So yeah, I know this video was short, and I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean for it to be this short. But you got my good buddy behind the camera here for this part.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go. Try to like bombing me like I do to you.
Yeah, you bombed me, like,
'Cause
literally.
it's funny.
Oh my gosh, and everybody's like, people be like,
It's funny. It's funny. Yes, I had to do the Venom voice. So yeah, sorry I keep cutting myself off, but hey, sometimes hilarity happens. Anyways, yeah, so please try this at home. This was a really good idea, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little fourth food experimentation here. So this
5 coming soon.
Yeah, definitely. Once I find some new, because there was actually one experiment that I had planned. This came on a whim. Literally, I did not plan this. None of that. I literally just threw stuff together just to see what would happen.
And Ellen comes in. Hello.
Like I said, I'm not in this. I will say hi. I'm not in this.
Yeah. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that. Please like, share, sub to not only my solar channel, but to the movie reviews library. My boy Alan's with me on that channel with Megas Dragon. So please subscribe to both those channels. Hit the bell to get notified of any of my newer stuff, and also follow.
I'm going to the mall, run errands, go for gas, take care of my car,
The usual? Yeah, and also follow me on Discord at Megalania number 8254. And finally, follow me on my Instagram at Wizardman2021. And also, since Adia's life is, well, she's part of this video anyways, the link to her channel will be in the description below here. And also, hey, and follow her on Instagram at,
Black.Goddess97.
Good lord. That's a nice one. Ain't that a nice little introduction? Anyway, so please like, share to everything I just said, and hit the bell to both of our channels, or all 3 channels that I mentioned, to get notified of any future stuff. So this is Tim W. Rago, and I'm going to say, peace out, everybody, and also Adia's life as well. So peace out, everybody, and see you all next time.
Woo!